YouTubeShorts is a relatively new feature on the platform, and it allows users to create and share short-form videos that are up to 60 seconds long. The popularity of YouTubeShorts can be attributed to several factors. The rise of short-form video. With the popularity of social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, short-form video content has become increasingly popular. YouTubeShorts capitalize on this trend by offering a platform for users to create and share short videos. Increased visibility. Videos that are posted on YouTubeShorts have the potential to reach a wider audience because they are prominently featured on the YouTube homepage and in the Shorts shelf. This increased visibility can be a strong motivator for creators to produce content for Shorts. New audience. With the rise of YouTubeShorts, there is an opportunity for creators to reach a new audience. Many creators who produce content on YouTube may not have previously made short-form videos, so Shorts can offer a way to diversify their content and attract new viewers. Potential for virality. Short-form videos have the potential to go viral quickly because they are easy to consume and share. Creators may see Shorts as an opportunity to create content that has the potential to reach a large audience and generate a lot of views and engagement. In summary, the popularity of YouTubeShorts can be attributed to its potential for increased visibility, the opportunity to reach a new audience, and the potential for content to go viral. These factors make it an attractive platform for creators to produce short-form videos. YouTubeShorts is a new feature on the YouTube platform that allows users to create short-form vertical videos up to 60 seconds in length. It was launched in September 2020 and has since gained a lot of popularity among content creators and viewers alike. One reason why so many people are making videos on YouTubeShorts is because it provides a new opportunity for creators to reach a wider audience. Since the Shorts feature is new, the competition is not as high as it is for regular YouTube videos. This means that creators have a better chance of their videos being discovered by new viewers and potentially going viral. Additionally, the algorithm that YouTube used to recommend videos to users heavily favors Shorts content at the moment. This means that if a Shorts video gets a lot of engagement, it has a higher chance of being recommended to new viewers, further increasing its reach. Finally, creating Shorts videos is relatively easy and requires less time and resources compared to making longer form content. This makes it an attractive option for creators who want to experiment with new ideas and potentially grow their audience. All of these factors combined make YouTubeShorts a compelling platform for creators to try out and potentially gain new followers and views.